What's up guys, my name is Azim and welcome back to another new exciting video. And in this video we're going to unbox 2-in-1 smartphone camera lenses. Yes, these lenses are macro lenses and I purchased them from AliExpress, and I will leave the link in the description below so you can also buy them from the link. So let's unwrap it. Take the box out from this packet. And this is how the box of these lenses looks like. You can see at the top there is branding of Apexel, which is the brand of these lenses, and these are 2-in-1 macro lenses. You can see here macro lenses, multi-coating lenses, and a universal clip. These are sample shots and these are the images of lenses, and here are some tips for these macro lenses, and the model number is APL24XMH. Packaging is very simple. Let's unbox it and take the lenses out from the box. And here in the box we got another box of plastic. Wow, it's packed nicely and safely. Let's open this box and take the lens out. It is packed in the foam, and this is the lens cleaning cloth with branding of Apexel on it. Very nice. Here are our lenses. Let's take them out from the foam. Wow, these are beautiful. Here are our Apexel macro lenses. This is clip, and here is the branding of Apexel on lenses, and everything of lens is made up of very high quality and premium quality material. And this is how you can detach it from the clip. And let's unmount both lenses. This is the hood for protection. The small one is 24x macro lens and the larger one is 12x macro lens. So let's test out the lenses. I will mount them on my smartphone from which I am recording this video, and let's take some sample shots of these lenses. Here I have the foam of these lenses, and wow, it is showing every detail of. Unwrap it. Take the box out from this packet, and this is how the box of these lenses looks like. You can see at the top there is branding of Apexel, which is the brand of these lenses, and these are 2-in-1 macro lenses. You can see here macro lenses, multi-coating lenses, and a universal clip. These are sample shots, and these are the images of lenses, and here are some tips for these macro lenses. And the model number is APL24XMH. Packaging is very simple. Let's unbox it and take the lenses out from the box. And here in the box we got another box of plastic. Wow, it's packed nicely and safely. Let's open this box and take the lens out. It is packed in the foam, and this is the lens cleaning cloth with branding of Apexel on it. Very nice. Here are our lenses. Let's take them out from the foam. Wow, these are beautiful. Here are our Apexel macro lenses. This is clip, and here is the branding of Apexel on lenses, and everything of lens is made up of very high quality and premium quality material. And this is how you can detach it from the clip. And let's unmount both lenses. This is the hood for protection. The small one is 24x macro lens and the larger one is 12x macro lens. So let's test out the lenses. I will mount them on my smartphone from which I am recording this video, and let's take some sample shots of these lenses. Here I have the foam of these lenses, and wow, it is showing every detail of the foam. this is the box of the macro lenses. You can see that it is showing every little thing on the box very clearly